students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is to find the area of the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square by the method of integration. So using integration we can find the area under the curve if we have f of x is equals to if we have a function of x, means y is equals to function of x we have, then we can find the area under the curve. So from here we'll find the y is equals to function of x. So since we have x square plus y square is equals to a square. So if you know this circle, this is circle centered at origin with the radius a, correct? So y square is equals to a square minus x square, and y is equals to root of a square minus x square plus or minus, correct? Now, so we have two equations, y is equals to root of a square minus x square and y is equals to minus of root of a square minus x square, correct? Now, if you will see, this is the above like semicircle which is above the x-axis, and this is the semicircle which is below the x-axis, correct? So we are supposed to add these two areas first, but if we will find area under the curve, here it will be negative area and here it will be positive area. So what we will do, total area under the circle or total area of circle will be equals to, see, since radius is a, so this is minus a comma 0 and this is a comma 0. Similarly here as well it is minus a comma 0 and a comma 0, correct? So area under the curve, for this curve the equation is root of a square minus x square dx, and limits from minus a to a. Area under the curve we need from minus a to a. So we'll start from minus a and we'll end at a. Here the area will be negative, so we will add a negative extra negative sign, correct? And equation is minus of root of a square minus x square dx, and limits will be again minus a to a. So this minus will become plus, and this equation, see, both terms are exactly same, so this will become 2 times integration of minus a to a root of a square minus x square dx. Now, so integration of this will become 2 times x upon 2 into root of a square minus x square, this thing as it is, then plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x divided by a, and this is the integration of root of a square minus x square, and we will put limit from minus a to a. Now if we will put a, this will become a square minus a square, this term will become 0, correct? 0 plus a square by 2 sine inverse a by a, which is 1, correct? Now minus times we will put this limit, so again minus a by 2 into root of a square minus of a square minus a square will become 0, then again minus a square by 2 sine inverse of negative a by a, which is negative 1, correct? So this will become 2 times a square by 2, and sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2, correct? And similarly here minus sign will come out, and minus will become plus. A square by 2 sine inverse of 1 will become again pi by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel out. So a square pi by 2 and a square pi by 2 will become pi square a. So this is our area of circle, pi square a, which is pi square r, where a is the radius of the circle. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.